Hello students, how are you doing today? I trust you're doing very well and safe. You're welcome to our English class. Today we'll be talking about adverbs. Adverbs, okay? By the end of this class, you should be able to understand what an adverb is. You should be able to give examples of adverbs and also the types of adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that is used to tell more about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. An adverb is a word that is used to tell us about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. This is to say that an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, and same adverbs. Adverbs tell how, when, where, why, how often, to what degree an action takes place. Most adverbs end in ly. You find out that most adverbs end in ly. Examples: quickly, we have slowly, we have sorrowfully, badly, merrily, etc. There are other adverbs which do not end in ly. There are other adverbs which do not do what? End in ly. They are often, dear, sometimes, well. We have the types of adverbs. We have different types of adverbs like adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of manner. But we have selected 4 major types of what? Adverbs, and we are going to discuss them. Number 1, we have adverb of what? Manner. Adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? This type of adverb shows how an action is done. How an action is done. Okay? Examples: we have slowly, we have quickly, we have well, we have hard, we have fast, etc. Okay, I've just used some of them in a sentence. We have he speaks English very well. Well here, okay, is an adverb. How? How? Remember, we are talking about adverb of manner. How an action is done. She runs fast. She rides slowly. Number 2, we have adverb of time. This shows when an action takes place. Example: soon, never, already, tomorrow, since, etc. He will come tomorrow. Tomorrow here is an adverb because it tells us when. Okay, it tells us when he will come. Then the second one, she has already thought nouns. Already here is an example of what? Adverb of time. Number 3, we have adverb of place. Adverb of place. This tells us where an action takes place. Where an action takes place. Example: we have there, we have out, we have here, we have anyhow, above, etc. Example: I saw him there. I saw him there. Okay, they went out. And underline this as an adverb of place. The next one, we have adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency shows how often or how many times an action takes place. Did you get that? Adverb of frequency. It shows how often or how many times an action takes place. Examples: we have once, we have twice, we have seldom, we have never, always, sometimes, etc. they seldom come here. Seldom here is an adverb. They seldom come here. The next one, we eat twice a day. Okay. Now, we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you understood that an adverb is used to tell us more about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. And you also understood that we have types of adverbs. We have adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency. Okay, now you're going to do this assignment. You're going to explain what you understand by adverb with at least 10 examples. Number 2, make correct sentences with the following adverbs: once, soon, anyhow, hard, seldomly. Thank you and God bless you. We are going to see in our next class. Bye bye.